3 to the 1, from the 1 to the 3. You clicked on this live and chose DOD. What's good, everybody? What's good, baby? Talk to me. Talk to me. Three to the 1, from the 1 to the 3. I got DOD. What's good? What's up? What's happening? Jdun up in this club. Get it cracking. All right. Let's get this TikTok going. Good morning, TikTok. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Nothing or everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. My @ is Team Bull Trading, and it is 6:45 a.m. Mountain Time. 6:45 a.m. Let's go. It starts with... All right, let's get Team Bull up in here. What's good, Team Bull? What's up, DOD Squadron? My DOD killers. What's up, jalapeno business? Jalapeno business. Oh, I'm feeling good today. We're coming back after a red Monday to start the week. We want vengeance on this market. We will avenge our DOD system with a massive win. Paid on, yeah, not paid on yesterday. Paid on, yeah, not paid on yesterday. But we'll try to get that changed around today. We'll try to flip the script on that today. Dun-dun-dun. DOD is in the house, baby. Discipline over dopamine today. You're tuning in this early. You already know you're getting after it. You already know you're going to get after it if you're getting in this early. What's up, RR? Yeah, this morning's been solid. Got a super good night's sleep. I was sleeping by like, what, 9? Like 9:15 last night. I went to sleep early. Ready to make some money. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año felicidad. I want to wish you a merry DOD miss. Every day is DOD miss when you're trading with Jdun. Every day. Bro, you have changed my way of trading and thinking. Thanks, man. You're welcome, bro. Do I trade gold? Not really. I have, but it's not something that I trade often. Yes, sir. We're after it, baby. How'd everyone sleep? How'd y'all do? How'd y'all do last night with your DOD? How'd y'all do last night with your sleep? My stream yesterday ended with 2 losses. I lost $1,300. Kept it small, but I had my second trade. Actually started to look good. It was up 30 points, but I wanted the bigger move, and so I didn't take any off. I wanted to see 50 plus points, and I didn't take any off, and it ended up stopping me out. So it happens sometimes. How do you trade but also get enough sleep? And because recently I haven't gotten, you got to go to bed earlier. Or sometimes you just got to sacrifice and you don't get as much sleep as you'd like. That does happen on occasion. Look at that move down overnight. What a sell off. 600 points. What time do I start everyday UK time? Honestly, I don't know. I start at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time is when the market opens. Jdun needs his coffee. I've been going ham lately with my workouts, guys. Feeling really strong. The 75 hard's been great. I've been crushing that. I'm super, super happy with the progress we've made so far. Go long. Man, I ain't going long. No way. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. Ooh. All right. I've been so sore. Have you talked about Apex V2? Yeah, I think it's great. I talked about it a lot yesterday. I kind of stopped talking about it after I lost 2 trades because I don't like to promote after I've lost. So If I'm going to take a long and a downtrend, I got to have solid confirmation. Otherwise, I just won't do it. I'll never reverse a trend without solid confirmation for how I trade. I just won't do it. End of day is the way to go. Yep. I'd recommend the 50K end of day account. It's only $29 if you use code Jdun. Don't. Always do. Thanks, Savvy. I appreciate you, my boy. I appreciate you. I hope we can get a really nice short setup. I would love, I'm not going to say nothing more, but that'd be one of my favorite things to get today. My coffee. Still waking up a little bit. I mean, I guess I could see that. Like, this is potential. You have a doji candle here with higher volume. I guess I see potential for a long with stops below here, but not enough for me, especially pre-market. I guess I can see that a little bit. Not a bad look. No screen share yet. There's about to be. Whoa. Oh, my chest is so sore. Oh, I was grinding at the gym yesterday. I've been having a lot of protein too. A lot of food. Thoughts on creatine? I get most of my creatine from eating steak. I'm even on a break from my BPC 157 and TB 500. I'm probably gonna take like the 3 months off the peptides. I honestly never even really noticed anything with them. Like, I tried them, and I only tried the BPC 157 and TB 500, and then Samorlin. But I honestly didn't really notice a lot. Maybe it's because I'm already really healthy. A lot of the big results I see of people that take peptides are people that take like Retta and like semaglutide and stuff. But I don't have any fat to lose, so I would never take those. Does promoting day trading weigh in your conscience? Not how I do it, no. Who cares if 95% of people fail? 5% of people can change their life with it. If you choose DOD, you follow the right system, you stick with it, you trade smart, you don't blow yourself up, you can be part of the 5% that make it. It's the same thing with college. You should ask professors, oh, do you feel bad teaching in a college where 80% of people won't have a six-figure job within 5 years, and a majority of these people will be paying back debt for the next 20, 30 years? You know? Right, Justin? I honestly didn't notice anything with peptides. Like, that's why I stopped. It's like I just didn't notice a lot. I already eat super, super healthy. I do everything I can for my health, physically and mentally. I just didn't notice a lot. You're too short to be in shape. Yeah, right? Ugh. Damn, Gene killed it yesterday in Asia session. I think peptides are fine. I think they can actually be really great for people that have injuries and such. I just personally didn't notice a lot. Maybe I didn't do them long enough. I don't know. There's some really good research behind them. I've heard NID is good too. %5 is arguably a strong exaggeration. You get the point. A lot of people will fail. It's the same thing in entrepreneurship. It takes like what, 10 plus years for a majority of successful entrepreneurs to hit their first million. How many will reach over the 2 million mark? It's less than 5%. You know, so I look at it as it's the same as everything else. People just the reason I think the trading industry gets so much hate is because people try it, they failed, and they want to see other people fail because they couldn't make it themselves. That mindset will never get anyone anywhere. Will never get anyone anywhere. I had this lady in my DMs yesterday who was just negative Nancy. And as I posted that video of me and my kid, I'm like, oh, this is the best. Like this, having this freedom to be out Monday midday. And she's all like, where is it? Basically, oh, it wouldn't it be nice if everyone could do that? Then we'd all be rich. Like, quit shoveling this BS. And I'm like, with that mindset of yours, you're going to stay in the same spot you are right now forever. If you think, oh, well, I can never do that because everyone can do that because I work full time and I'm this and that. Like, well, you are in control of your reality. Not everyone comes from a 2-parent household. I'm like, girl, my dad went to prison and got shot and killed when I was a kid. No, he got shot and killed when I was an adult, but he went to prison when I was a kid. Was never around. Well, not everyone comes from a stable mom. I'm like, nope, not stable mom. Single mom, no money. So what's your excuse? Some people are orphans. Some people have no parents, and they still find a way to make millions of dollars and to free themselves. But if you sit there and whine like a baby and be a victim instead of a victor, you're going to stay in the same spot you are now forever. Ain't nothing going to change. You know? Ain't nothing going to change. So that's what you got to decide. You got to decide if you're going to make an excuse or find a way or find an excuse. And that makes some people mad. There's so much victim mentality, and especially in trading. Oh, well, I can't do this because it hasn't worked for me. I say, well, have you journaled every trade? Have you put in 100 hours of education? Do you have years of experience? All these things. If you haven't done everything that you possibly can for years, which most people have not, then you're probably not going to see the excuse or see the way and find an excuse. Bro, why are you in here trying to convince me day trading is bad? Why don't you go like to work or something? Why don't you go do something productive with your day, bro? I'll never understand why people come in here just to get angry. I'm like, bro, go touch grass or something. Like go read or go like hang out with your kid or your family or go to the grocery store. I don't know. Like, what are you doing? The best is when someone's like, Jdun, you never trade, and I hate your streams. But I'm like, bro, I've seen you comment on my stream the last 3 weeks. Why are you still coming? Like, why are you still here? And I'm glad you're here. Hopefully I can turn you from a hater to a lover, but like I'm just wondering on a personal level, like, what you doing, bro? What's going on? I don't know. I said, what's up? What's happening? All right. All right. I gotta get all my preparations for today. How about these new sweatpants though? Fire.
Jdun, why are you sitting here day trading? I don't even know why I'm here today because you lose every trade. You know that only 5% of traders are profitable. It's 7 a.m. and I'm riled up watching this free live trading stream.
That's how these dudes look for real, bro. That's how these dudes. Oh. Oh man. All right. Now I have some energy. Now I'm awake. Had to get the clown mask out. They never see that one coming. Usually we pray for the haters, but it is fun to get the clown mask out once in a while. All right, guys, we got about 20 minutes till market open. Hoping to redeem myself today. Took a little over half size loss for my maximum loss limit yesterday on a Monday. Lost $1,300. 2 trades. One, they got wicked out about like 10 points, 5 points, whatever, and then went 100 points. And then my second trade was up 30 points in profit, but I wanted the bigger move. I did not sell. I wasn't going to trade on ego. I was going to trade on system, and that too got stopped out. So I went 0 for 2 yesterday. 0 for 2. All right, I'm going to go grab some more water quick. I'll be right back, folks. I'll be right back. All right. What's good? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? New day, yup, that's facts. Today is a new day. I ain't worried about it. I either follow my plan and make money, or I follow my plan and I lose a small amount of money. What an absolute fake out. What an absolute fake out on that daily chart. I mean, look at this. That is so dirty for anyone who trades, swing trades. We get that daily chart engulfing higher volume, potential bounce off this trend, and then we're going to open up down here. You can see it a little more clearly on the NASDAQ. Look at that. That's foul. That's foul to all my swing traders out there. That's dirty. Move up. Strong volume. Death. That hurts. Well, not for me because I day trade, but hurts for someone out there that swung calls. Or wanted to swing puts and didn't because of how it looked on the daily chart. You ever try a hyperbaric chamber? Yeah, I love hyperbaric chambers. They're great. I used to do that all the time. Yo, what's up, Squid? Good morning, bro. What up, dog? Who let the squid out? Oof, 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 oof. Yeah. I did swing the puts on QQQ. Well, then you're going to be in good shape today, my friend. You're going to have about a 10-second work day. Let's go. Only need 1,200 to pass my eval. All right. Well, let's take a good systematic trade and let's get you there. Let's get you there. I'll do my best. I will sure try my best. Ten-second workday sounds bananas. I was banana boy this morning. So if you guys are on the old Apex, you still keep the old rules. If you guys still have old Apex accounts, you still keep the old rules. If you're on the new Apex, then you'll get the new rules, your scaling's built in, all that good stuff. End of day trailing. Where's my music? Where'd my music go? There we go. What's up, bro?
Like I just talked to you.
Yup. We meet again.
Nice setup today.
I hope so, man. You didn't take a single trade yesterday, huh?
No. See if we get one today after this big push down. Quite a move down last night.
What?
Quite a move down.
I know, right?
Doesn't make for horrible training conditions like it usually does after a big move. See.
If you guys want to trade futures with me and you're on YouTube, you can click this link here. I recommend getting the 50K Apex Trade of 8 end of day trailing account. You can pass it in 1 day. So if we catch a really nice trade today, you can pass. I'll do my best to find you guys a winner. Yesterday I was unsuccessful. There was one trade that was up 30 points, but I didn't take any profit, so I was 0 for 2. I was 0 for 2. Bro is obviously longing the open. No way. I mean, we could see a move like yesterday, but I wouldn't just gamble it off the open. It's not how I roll, dog. That's not DOD. It's not how I operate. Can't find NQ. Make sure you're paying for data. You got to make sure you're paying for the data. I did have a negative day. If we catch a winner today, I'm giving away. I got some giveaways for you guys on Apex. I prefer a live account 100 out of 100 times with prop from trading or with trading futures trading. I think everyone's end goal should be to be trading with a live account. Everyone's end goal should be trading with a live account. I think prop firms are a great tool, but that's what they are. They are a tool. They are a tool. And just that. What's up, Kane? What's good, everybody? Got 11 minutes till open, everybody. Trade smart, trade safe. We got 11 minutes till our DOD session commences. Top Step sucks. I'll never promote Top Step. They're an OG, but nowadays there's so many better competitive options. Yep, no, it does. Sorry. Not a discussion. Not the discussion. Way better options nowadays. Back in the ancient days, when they were the OG, that was one thing. I'm like, yeah, they do. Sorry. You're better off trading with someone like... There's plenty of options. Even companies that I don't have partnerships with. I mean, it's fine. You get your payout. You're going to get paid by Top Step. I just think there's better options, especially with the only edge that Top Step had was Project X. Well, there's other platforms coming out that are way better and that mimic the same thing. So they were just the only option back in the day. Yep. Especially with Apex's new end-of-day accounts, Apex is on top, no doubt. I could get it. I could get people's hesitation when they didn't have end of day. Now there's no reason not to be trading with Apex. Or Tradeify. Tradeify is great too. Their select accounts are fire. You can get daily payouts with Tradeify's select accounts. Super fire. Yeah, Tradeify's baller for sure. Who we got tonight? Huskers or Bruins? I hope the Huskers. Shit. Brett does own Tradeify, yes. They're one of the top prop firms in the space right now. They've paid out a lot of money. I mean, all time they've paid out over $150 million. Over 150 million payouts for Tradeify. That doesn't sound good for business. It is good for business, actually, as a matter of fact, because prop firms run. A healthy prop firm wants to run over about 40% plus margins. Trust me, I've been in the internals. So I can't speak on the straight to funded model, but the traditional eval model. Nowadays, props want to run around like 40%. Everything tanked. London, yep, we'll see what we get here. I honestly don't have any rejects for a minute. We're going to have to wait for the first 15. Let's get this pre-market high, pre-market low. I was live early today. We got 5 minutes to open, y'all. Yep, you can have 6 payouts before they either make you start over or move you to live. Which again, I see people complaining about that. Oh, only 6 payouts. Do you know how many traders are actually getting the 6 payouts on one account? And if you do, guess what? You've made 100 times your investment. If you need to go live or need to start over, that's fine. Do it. Run it back again. No one that gets the 6 payouts is gonna be saying, "Oh man, I'm super bummed. I turned $100 into 10,000." You know, you got to give and take with these prop firms. Did I watch the Nuggets game last night? I didn't. No, I seen they won though. I was just busy. We needed that win real bad. We got the Lakers on Thursday and the Knicks on Friday. 2 big games. We have a stretch of really hard games. We got the Lakers, then the Knicks, then the Thunder, then the Rockets, then the Spurs, then the Lakers. That's crazy. We got a hard remaining schedule. Bro said, "Holy long ass fingers." I'm 6'7". What do you expect? I wear freaking skis for shoes. I got a size 15 feet. I could go skiing on these bad boys. We could go skiing on these bad boys. All right, guys. We got less than... Where's my clock? Yeah, less than 2 minutes till open, y'all. Less than 2 minutos. Yeah, I'm 410. That's right. I am the short king.
We got 1 minute.
Yup, 1 minute.
Screen share is up.
Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Oh, woo. Market's opening, y'all. Let's choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and take a step forward in your trading today. Let's get it, y'all. We're open. New York session is open, everybody. Let's make it happen. It will not charge you monthly. Nope. Good morning, everybody. The market just opened. This is your daily reminder. If you're here, if you're trading live with me, I want you guys choosing discipline over cheap and garbage and destructive and self-sabotaging and useless dopamine. Too many of you have gotten into the same hamster wheel, same bad habits over and over again and into that routine, and it has killed your trading progress and it has killed your trading profits. So today we make that change. We trade smart, we trade safe, we trade systematic, we keep our losers small and our winners big. If you guys can do that, you'll see progress in your confidence, you'll see progress in your P&L.
I see a setup. 24668. I'm going to watch for a possible short entry. 24668 on NQ.
I was gonna watch that 700 area, a little higher.
We have Asia low and previous week low at 668. Is one of my reasons I'm watching it. We'll see what happens. What's everyone sipping on this morning? Coffee? Tea?
Man, I need some coffee.
I've got some coffee right now.
Gene's on the way. I woke up I got a good night's sleep. I was still a little tired. I think it's because I've been pushing my body so hard in the gym. My body is just physically tired.
No drinking whiskey this early. Come on.
What? My dog's looking at me from his little doggy door thing. So let me come trade. And you try and tell me to trade?
He's like, give me some kibble.
Give me some kibble. I've been grinding in the gym, bro. Like, trust. I've gained a few pounds already, been eating more. I'm feeling strong. I'm eating way more carbs. So, Grizzly, I was telling you, I stopped taking the peptides like 2 weeks ago. I didn't really notice anything with them.
The peptides?
Yeah, I didn't really notice anything. Like, I was only taking BPC 157 and TB 500 and then some Warlin, but I didn't really notice it. I didn't really feel anything different.
I mean, I feel like the one to take the ones that would benefit people the most would be the, what is it, Retta?
Yeah, people that need to lose weight. Yeah, but
that would be okay.
I don't got no weight to lose, though.
I know what I'm saying. You don't have much weight back. They don't really benefit you. But I feel like a lot of this stuff is just like trends, you know? Like
Yeah.
People get it popular.
I'm just I'm just so healthy already. It's like, I don't. Hola, Mr. Gene. What up, dog?
Come on.
Oh, yep. All right, guys. Guess who just got activated? Guess who's off injured reserve? Pay done, baby. We also got to do. Got to do our pick of the day. Got to do our pick of the day, everybody. It's Tuesday. It is game day for us day traders, and we got two potential candidates for today. We got the Bears going, "Rrr," and the Bulls going, "Rrr." And the winner, by unanimous decision, I think very clearly based on this trend, we go with the Bears again, baby, today. We're catching a bear to the downside. Come on. All right, y'all know what it is. We got the Bears to the downside, baby. That's the direction we're going today. Now we just got to figure out where our entry is. Yeah, I'm with you, Frankful. And I might try them again. I don't remember this being in the WAP contract. All right, let's see what they will give us today. Had a red day yesterday. I know I lost money yesterday. What is life? So, Genie, you get your 7K payout yet?
No, the button's not appearing. Everything is bet in the dash.
Gonna stay patient. Gonna stay patient today. Going to stay patient today. No trades in the first 15 minutes for me. I will catch a trend entry, and that is what I will look for. That is how I trade, folks. I choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, and wait for trend entries in the 5-minute chart intraday. I once prayed to be in the position I am today. That's facts. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what they give us. Hey, Grizzly, where's your point of control today? Or not yours, but where is the point of control? It's not something I really use, but I know you like it.
Pushing up here. I'm watching this area we're approaching for a possible short. 668 area.
And nuclear candle up.
This candle may have more viable than the previous.
Were you in shorts last night, Gene?
I'll reject that. Let's sweep it. Yeah, point of control right now is currently 528.
Dude, I called shorts at 973.
Should have just held it overnight.
Literally. That would have been, dude, that would have been a 600-point trade.
Well, looks like we're gonna miss this because it's gonna reject 8 points early.
touched and then just died, huh? What, 6 points early?
Yeah, 6 or 8 points early from a entry.
That's tough. Damn, that's tough. Would have been a mega trade. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. 6 points early.
This is my main setup. I like this move. Didn't even notice it till right at market open.
Guess gonna stay patient today and wait for an A+ entry. I actually didn't mind that. I was gonna watch a little higher than your reject, but I like that same idea. I was watching more towards a little closer to 700, but still same area.
Still push up there. I'll make it. It's a very aggressive sell-off from touching that area I was watching them.
Gonna wait for DOD to tell us it's time to take a trade. We are 4 minutes away from our 15-minute range being in. I think today's a day that Grandma would definitely like the shorts. Oh boy, just waiting. Things in the lower time frame, the 1 minute, are looking really bearish. Touch near that Asia low and then just dipped. We'll see if we can catch a 100-pointer today. I want a 100-pointer. I want to risk 30 to make 100. That's my ultimate goal. I don't want a scalp. I mean, if it has to be a scalp, I'll take one. But I would like to see a very large trend day today. That's what I would ideally like to be a part of. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you want to take a futures trade with me today, you can use code Jdun on Apex. It's 85% off. I recommend the new end-of-day 50K accounts with Tradeovate. You have end-of-day drawdown. A lot of you were skeptical of Apex before because of the live trailing drawdown, but that's not a thing anymore with these accounts. It's end of day. So tap in, go get yourself an account, use code Jdun, and I'll do my best to help you pass it today. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh boy, that would have been the one, Grizzly Glock. Our 15-minute range is now in, and let's see what we can get. Let's wait. Let's wait and see. You know what I'd love to see is a nice failure candle here and then a short that we can target that pre-market low on. I would love to see that. I would love to see that. Jay is red now. What you mean? What you talking about, Willis? Let's see. If we're going to reject in here, I think this is the area. Just a little too much risk in here for me right now. There's no 5-minute confirmation. This candle at a lower volume. So I'm personally just going to wait. Thank you, sir. And Gene brought me some espresso in the DOD. In the DOD glass. In the Discipline Over Dopamine cup. That's my dude. My man's Gene.
I'm not looking for that reject now, Doctor. I got too close to it and sold off. Just have to look for a different setup, okay? Possibly.
I was actually looking for shorts up there.
Still could be in play today. We'll just have to see what happens.
Yeah. I was looking for shorts up there, but it didn't. I didn't like the previous 5-minute candle. Had that midline 50% retracement. There was too much risk up to high a day, and also I didn't like the previous candle volume, so decided to take it off the table.
The warp strategy is still in play. If we get a high volume breakout, right? I'm gonna watch that. I feel like if we lose this point of control today, we're gonna see a nice sell-off.
Me too.
So far, we haven't lost it. We're about to.
Tell you one thing, this 5-minute chart doesn't look bullish. Or this 5-minute candle, I should say. Chart is not as much a factor, but this previous 5-minute candle does not look bullish. You got to remember, in times like we're seeing now, though, you can have war news at any point. We got this candle closing in in about 50 seconds. If we close this strong, potentially either A, look for a retest back up into it with stops above this high. Ideally, we get a big push down. Yeah, ideally, we get a big push down and close down here. And it's not so much a 2-bar from recent price action, but from pre-market. 614. $560, 614. Buzzer beater. Decent close there. I'm going to look for this pop back up to like 560 area with stops above 610. I'd like to see a small move back up. for shorts up here and then stops above this candle high. So a little more risk, but it's worth an initial try for me. I'm not sure they're going to give it to us, but I do like the shorts if we pop back up here. We fail one more time and then push down. I will be trading micros if we get the setup because I'm gonna have more point risk. I want to see around like 550 to 560. Ideally. Come on, a little higher. I'd love to see the bear mask come out. I'm gonna try if we get up to like 5. Ideally like 5, 6. Okay, I'm watching this. I'm watching still. My fingers on the trigger. Trying a piece of shorts up here, guys. Try the piece of shorts up there. Tried them up there. Tried them 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 up there. Tried them up there. Absolutely. If you guys caught that absolutely nasty entry up there so far, we'll see if we can keep it going. I want to see a move below 490 for any sort of trim. It went like 20, 30, almost 30 points now. But I want to see it move lower. I want to see below that 15-minute low. Only make love to her when... Come on, push it down. Push below. Push below 500. I'm actually going to move my stops because they're so wide. I'm going to move them to like 570. So it'll still be a red trade if I get stopped. But it defeats my purpose of this trade if we move back above this candle high. So I won't be bummed if we sweep the high, then move, as the whole purpose of this trade was testing this retracement right here and then moving down. If we don't get that, then I'll only be right about 14 points. So not too much. I got a really good fill. 554 was my fill. So it went up about 30 points, but no trims for me. We make love to her window. Come on, push it down. We went down for a second, and then we held that point of control. I put my stop at 570, everybody. 571. Come on, push it down now. Push it down now. Again, it went like 20, 30 points. I just can't. Just flush it. Give us a trend day. Picture on my wall. I only have about 16 points of risk on this trade now, so I could have taken off at around 30 points, but I want to see a bigger move. I want to see a trend move down. I'd rather take a small loss than sell early, and that's not the type of candle I want to see there. We'll see how this works out. Come on. $5.20s. $5.20, 19. Come on. I'm going to take a little piece off here of my micros, guys. I just took a little piece off right there of my micros. Just so you guys know. Just so you guys are aware, I took a little piece off. I'm going to put my remaining stops at 5. Keep them at 570 for now. Or 568. That candle high. I'd like to see a move below this 490. I'd like to see a move below 490, everybody. Come on. Give me a move. Give me the move I want to see. Give me the trend move I want to see. Come on. Give me the trend move I want to see. Come on, baby. Come on. Move down. Come on. I'm actually going to go ahead too and put my stops at 554. I'm going to put them at entry, everybody. 555. I want to see a bigger move here, but we're going to get a win under the belt. We can look for re-entry. Regardless, I'd like to see us continue down and just move down to that pre-market low. Come on. Flush this 500. Flush 500 for us. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nasdaqita. Drop it low. Come on, baby. Don't make me get the bear mask out. Come on. Let me eat. Let me eat. Let me eat. Come on, let the bear eat. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Come on. Push it down, baby. Push it down. Let's go. It worked. I'm taking off a few more contracts here at 500, guys. Stop still at break even. It worked. The Bears feasting today, baby. Come on, I want 100 points out of this. Stops are still at break even, guys. Took a little more off down there. I want the rest to ride. I want to target pre-market low now. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push it down. Push it down for NasDaddy. Come on. Yes, push it down, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. 70 points here, everybody. 70 points here, everybody. $70 points here, everybody. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Nasdaqita. Come on, baby. Chop it low, girl. Chop it low, girl. Chop it low, girl. Come on. You know what? I'll do the whole deal. Stops are set at break even. We want farther down. We want more. That's it. Winning trade guaranteed. Give Papa Bear his entry. Come on. No! 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 Don't do it! Oh, all right. Well, it got my entry there. I thought the bear mask was going to help, guys. It didn't help. Still a solid 70 points, depending on your entry. 60, 70 points. And watch it go up, touch that, and then die. Watch that happen. Watch. Wow. Better not do us like that. Better not do us like that. And keep it honest. Wow. Wow. All right, we need some positive energy up in here, folks. If you guys made money on that 60, 70 points, whatever it is, talk to me in the chat. We need a nice winner after yesterday. How much y'all make on that trade? How much y'all make on it with me? We take small losses and big wins, baby. How much y'all make on that trade? 813, 1K, 268, 270 points, 299 times 4, 5K, 130, 316, 164, 568, 550, 160. Green, $97, 250, 519, 2.5K, 1,050. Let's go! The horse says, yeah! Yeah! And now watch, we're going to keep moving, which is fine. Manage the risk. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it after yesterday. That was a nice confidence builder. So far, we're sitting at $2,200. So almost $2,300 on the live account. This looks like a good 2-bar, too. We'll see. Man, I really wanted 100 points out of that, but we'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take what we can get. We will take it. All right, let's see if we can catch another one.
Jdun, you never take trades. That one was luck. Well, Jdun, that was luck. Do it again if you're so good. I can't stand watching you win, Jdun. You never take trades. I didn't even hear that trade.
Wow. I can't believe it has wicked me in my entry there. That's brutal. But again, I would have, after a 60, 70 point move, there's no world where I would have not put my stops back to break even there. Just happens sometimes. The whole you never take trades thing, I'll never get it. Me neither. I don't understand. All right, we could be getting another entry here too. I'm not super keen on taking more trades, but let's talk about this for educational purposes. Maybe move to like 5. 505 to 520 with stops above 560. We can still target pre-market low. I typically take 1 to 2 trades a day, guys. I don't want you to sit there and rattle off trades. It's not good for you. I know that your dopamine wants to rattle off trades. The ego wants to rattle off trades. You want to sit there and trade and have fun, but my trading strategy is boring. That's why it gets so many people paid. That's why I consistently make and keep money as a trader. I don't trade for fun. I trade to make money. This is a job. It's a business. I mean, yeah, we talk DOD and put on masks and have fun, and sometimes I start rapping and like yelling and stuff, but I want you guys to pass your accounts, get funded, get paid, and I want you guys to keep the money you make as a trader. This is the area I'd potentially look for. I'm not taking this, just so you guys know. I'd like to see us move up here and reject before I just rattle off shorts, but if we move above these levels up here, it's likely invalid. I don't think shorts look bad here. Like in this 520 area where we just were, you just have to have stops above 560. So I'm likely, unless I see something I really, really, really love later, I'm going to keep my green day intact. It was almost double my losing day yesterday. So I'm going to try to keep that intact. Ugh. See if we can keep pushing down. What's up, Mr. Gene?
What's up, dude?
Called a banger.
Nice.
Yep.
Bounce back.
Yeah, I know. I was happy about that. My mic is working. What are you talking about? That's a lie. That is a lie. If you guys did take that 520 area, I'd likely have my stops above that candle now, so above like 540 is where I'd put my stops. This was the move up here. Again, I made my money, so I don't want to go back to back. But if you guys did take that or followed the 2-bar system, the retest system, I'd want you guys to have your stops at 540, or if you want less risk on, you can just go break even, but a little more risk on. It's not valid above that 540 anymore. I'm happy that we could catch a banger, guys. Well, semi-banger. How could this happen? Oh, boys, we needed that after yesterday. That puts us back in the rhythm. I thought I was going to do the same deal. I thought it was going to go like up 20, 30 points in profit and then stop me again. I was like, oh, here we go again. Come on. For those who took the 2-bar, I want to see us flush. I want us to target this pre-market low. That'd be the end goal. What a great, helpful community. I appreciate y'all. Again, if you guys want to ask me any questions, the only place I answer personal private DMs is on IG at Jdun Trades. That's the only place that I'll message you back or DM you. I will never DM you first anywhere, not even there. I want to ask you for money. I want to ask you to deposit money. You can DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. Well, I don't sit on DMs all day. I mean, I have a life sometimes. Believe it or not. I might be weird and get out like bear masks and stuff, but I actually do sometimes have a life. It's very introverted and kind of boring, but I enjoy it. I walk out to my garage and see some cool cars. I don't really drive them. I mostly drive my Honda, but they're there to drive if I wanted to. I really do be driving the humble Honda on the reg. Oh, guys, I'm so glad we got that. Hopefully, a lot of y'all made progress on those new Apex accounts. Which, hey, by the way, roses are red. Violets are blue. Hey, Team Ball! Hope you're paying attention, because I got something for you! Because I have a code for you. Oh, that would have been good. That would have been really good. Damn, y'all are quick. Already exceeded. Was on. All right. Well, I hope you're paying attention. There you go. There's round 2. You better be paying attention this time, baby. Maybe that was a blessing. Got that one. Someone got it. Someone got it. Someone got it. Maybe there's no more road codes. Maybe it's patched. There's no more road codes for anyone. They killed our road codes. This market still looks like it wants to die. Someone got one. I know someone got one. It was fun while it lasted. Let me see something. Here, we'll do this too. If you guys post your gains and tag me in DOD, I'll pick some winner. I'll pick 2 winners there. I'll pick 2 code winners there too. How about that? Post your gains section. Tag me. I'll choose 1 random and I'll also read 1. Let's see who's paying attention. All right, 1 more. And I know that one works for a fact because I just tried it. Where's the Team Bull snipers at? Yep, one person got it. Damn, no more. The road codes had a fun run. It definitely works. I literally just went and tried it. So someone got it. Someone was real quick. Take a moment of silence for the road codes. If y'all post your gains, tag me. I got a few codes to give away. We'll give away a few extras. Give away a few extras. Tag me at DOD. Tag me with DOD. Maybe say something nice as long as it's genuine and honest, and I'll read through and we'll pick a few winners today. As always, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. Apex is 85% off right now. No, I didn't use the code. I just typed it in and made sure it would work. Tradeify. Lucid sucks. Tradeify code Jdun will work too. Thanks for the trade, Jdun. I made 1.3 off it. YouTube, come on. I scratched your back with the winning trade. Scratch mine. Let's get this like number up to 500. Let's get them thumbs up. If you guys made some money with me today, if you guys chose DOD, and if you guys get value from these lives, I appreciate you hitting that thumbs up. Let's smash that like button, baby. Come on. We're at 280. Come on, guys. Come on. Wow, look at that move. Gene, would you like to come say hello? It's funny, I was telling people on the live yesterday, I was 46. I said, show me some ID, and I was like, this is my ID. Remember that, the bench warmers? So the guy's like, Carlos is like, I am 12.
The Dominican?
I am 12. I am 46. The fact that some of y'all believed I was 46, y'all making, man, I'm only 29. SMH.
He has a whole mess here. Boxes. So, ¿qué pasó, compas? Hello?
The microphones are out, I guess. People actually over to my computer.
Not feeling the best right now still. Hey, Grizzly, you sound like you're underwater. Jeez, the market is dying. I got that entry at 600 for shorts, but I only scalped it for 30 points because I didn't want to mess up consistency. Yup, it's already Asia session. It was good. That trade went crazy last night. We caught 45 points, but our entry was 973. And the market just died from there. Market died. Yeah, that was a good trade last night. What is that in your hand?
The meat that I'm about to beat.
Why do you have 3?
So then I asked the chat what I should eat.
Oh. All right, ask him.
All right, chat. I got a question. We got 3 potential picks on the menu today. We have option A, which is Primal Blend ground turkey. It's turkey meat, turkey heart, and turkey liver.
And
So-
gizzards too, no?
So that's option A. No, turkey meat, heart, and liver. We have option B, which is ancestral blend ground beef, which is ground beef, beef liver, and beef heart. This is probably my favorite one. And then option C, we got some ground bison.
The best is the turkey.
What do y'all think?
Eat option Gene.
Eat Gene?
Arr.
Option A, option B, beef liver, beef heart. I think I'm beef too.
The turkey's the best.
The bison? I think the bison. We go with the bison. Lots of bisons. Lots. Wow, look at that. We're going right down to freaking
Dying.
pre-market low.
Why are we dying?
Because VPA is the GOAT.
I'm glad.
All right, bison it is. Bison wins.
I'm glad we're getting some movement because this sets us up good for This sets us up good for Asia session. Ground Mexican, no mames. No mames, chorizo. Oh, I trade
There we go.
Asia Monday through Thursday.
Jdun, you on here?
No, it's me.
What's up, Gene?
What's up, bro? How's it going?
Good. My mic would not connect to the Zoom.
Yeah, you sounded like you were underwater. Not anymore. You sound good.
I think the part that plugs into the bottom of this is wore out.
Yeah, you got like the cord. You got to order a new one. That's what we had to do at the office.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a new one today.
Amazon.
DOD.
I'm gonna lock him out.
DOD. And you saw that trade, it was a win. A DOD. You already know. DOD. I'm going to trade and put on a show. Whoa. I'm pumped. Sorry, Grizzly. I was screaming in the background. What up? Well, that's the original trade plan I wanted to see work. If you guys ended up taking that 2-bar, that was the one. That was the one. That was the one. This one actually ended up working out decent too. This one would have been nice as well. We just never got the retest back up. Now we're going to test that pre-market low, and price target will have been achieved. I'm just happy we could catch a nice win today. I had a few good ideas, executed one really nice win. I'm happy about it. Hopefully y'all made some progress with me. I don't even care if you made money. I just hope you made progress in your system. You became a little more confident today. I'm going to have a bananas back day today too. Two Tradeify evals passed today. That's what's up. Damn, this was what we wanted to see. This was it right here. This was the move down. But I'm happy with what we got. I'm happy with 70 points. Hopefully you all made some progress on your new Apex accounts too. They're 1 day pass and they have end of day trailing drawdown now. Or end of day drawdown, not trailing. End of day drawdown on those puppies. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. We touched pre-market low. That would have been price target achieved. This is now I'd be very careful, guys, about catching lower highs. You could potentially look for 460, 520. Maybe I can move to like 470. Stops above 520 for a lower high up here. Stops above this and then continuation down. I'm just happy DOD paid us again. I'm going to work on that Apex tutorial today. I'm going to work on that tutorial today. I didn't have time yesterday. What are some things you guys want to know in it? What questions you guys have when I drop the new review of the new Apex accounts and also how to copy trade? What do you guys want to know? Grizzly, I can't hear you if you're speaking. Oh. There's mic having problems. I can't hear. Let's say I can't hear. And my sound's working on Zoom, so I just tested it. How to set stop loss on Tradeovate, linking accounts. How does it affect existing accounts? It doesn't affect them. You're still in the same rules. So that question's answered. Let's go, Delaney.
What's up, Jdun?
I was just saying I couldn't hear you if you were speaking earlier.
I tried my best to get on voice earlier. It would not connect my mic or anything. The connections were out.
You take that trade with me?
I took a different trade. It absolutely ripped.
Nice.
I called the pullback at we had the confirmation candle at 10.
Nice.
And I waited on the retracement back up to point of control. Which my entry was a little worse than I wanted because I was trying to get my mic to work so I could give the trade to Team Wolf. But I got in at like 518 and took it down to pre-market low.
Wow.
370.
Nice. I caught like 70 points from that first retrace. I was happy with it.
That seems trade is a good trade.
I was after yesterday, 2 losing trades. I was happy. Made like 2,300, so sitting green in the week. Almost double the loss from yesterday. Yeah, this. Here's the deal. This would technically be a valid 2-bar here. You just don't really have a lot of wiggle room. So like if you took it at 386, you stop it have to be like 403 or maybe like 406, 20 points. Definitely valid though. I mean, from a technical standpoint. I'd honestly probably prefer that we get a retrace back up to like 460 to 470. But, you know, technically valid, not a whole lot of risk. It would have been stopped right here though. As a reminder, TikTok, I'm live on the U to the Tube as well. Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. You guys can join me for full screen share. Who else is doing this every single day live for y'all? Not many people. This is what I would personally, and this is why on the 2-bar down here, this is why you'd want to keep that stop at like 401 or 406 or whatever. You get that massive pump up. I would watch here for a lower high. I'd watch in here for a lower high with stops above this. This is kind of my last line in the sand is this area. If we're going to continue down today, that's where the lower high would be. I needed that coffee so bad. You just got to hold your winners, Carry Bus. And also for me, I'll put on a bit more size when I traded the downside than the upside. That's just how I trade, though. And if I see a downside trade that I like, instead of like to the upside, for example, I might use 1 mini or 2 minis or 10 micros or 20 micros. If I see a downside setup I like, if I go full size, I'll go up to like 5 minis. I didn't do that today, but I'll take 20 micros, 25 micros. And I'll put on more risk to the downside because I trade better to the downside. I still will trade the upside, but I put on more risk and more size to the downside. That's just how I trade. I'm not saying that's how you should trade. I'm just that's my system. I trade better to the downside. I find that I make more money to the downside. It moves faster, so I'll put on a bit more risk when I'm trading to the downside. That doesn't mean I'm a perma bear. I will make money to the upside. I just will put on more risk to the downside. My goal is to be at like 10 minis this year. It's just hard trading live and doing what I do, which I like the community we built and I like doing what I do. It's just a lot of risk when you're trading real capital. You're not trading just fundeds and posting eval gains. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm going bananas on the workout today. Going crazy. I prefer like 30 points, but there's some like on days like today, every candle is 100 freaking points. Every candle is 60, 70, 80 points. So you have to adapt to that. You have to understand that. That's why I say if you're worried about risk, just trade micros. That's the ultimate solution. Just trade micros. Oh, yeah. Banana Boy in the back shots. So many. I'm getting all the back shots today. I'll be getting back shots, doing my lat pull downs, doing my seated rows, doing my flies. What? I'll have my camera set up and record it. What's wrong with that? Oh, you guys are sick. Ew. I was talking about back shots with my camera. Your guys' minds are in the gutter. What is wrong with y'all? What is wrong with y'all? What's wrong with a man getting back shots? I love literally getting back shots is my favorite thing. Of all the different types of shots you can get, back shots are my favorite. Literally, you get the full angle. You set the camera up. It's the best. It's the strongest feature I have. There's nothing wrong with me getting those videos on my back. Nothing wrong with that. Whenever I post my gym videos, I'm always posting my back shots. I'm proud of how far my back and I have came. You guys are sick if you think if your minds are anywhere else. What's wrong with you? Jdun. Jdun loves taking back shots is crazy. All I'm saying is I'm doing back day and taking videos of it, getting shots of my back. And y'all are taking it. I was telling them how I love getting back shots. I love taking videos of myself when I'm at the gym of my back when I'm lifting, and they're taking it a whole different way.
Just gonna leave that with no comment. I don't even know what to reply.
Why did it flag my TikTok for bullying? Was I bullying myself? Sorry, Jdun, you can't bully Jdun. What? That is all right. I'm about to restart this TikTok live, everybody. I'll be back. If you're on TikTok, hit that follow button in the top left corner. I'll be back in literally like 1 minute. All right, TikTok. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only and for educational and entertainment purposes only as well. Let's get it. Thanks for the gains and laughs. Appreciate you, JJ. This would be the lower high for the morning. Why did we bounce here? Because there's more aggressive buying than selling. Sellers were more aggressive than, or buyers were more aggressive than sellers. That's why we bounced. The back shot man himself is crazy. Don't. Are we taking any other trades today? Or are we done? Oh, man. This guy does back shots. It's crazy. All right, let's see if this is the low or high. Sellers, if y'all want it, y'all better step up. Y'all better step up if y'all want it, sellers. See anything else you like, Grizzly? I was kind of watching this retest up here.
I was about to rip short.
Yeah.
Sell off last time.
Yep.
I was trying to decide where my stop was. My stop would have to be in 480.
Don't. Jokes aside, passed eval this morning. Thanks. You're welcome. Am I in the shorts? No, but that's all I would be in. That's all I'd be in. There's no chance I'd be in any sort of long. Don't. Don't.
Especially up into the 30s, I would give some shorts a try. Keep my stop at 73.
I actually don't hate that idea either.
Let me see here. All right.
After you left, I joined another session. Cortisol's crazy. Bro said, hold on. Oh, that looks like my trade a few weeks ago. I got in that thing.
All right, I tried a light size and MQ shorts, everyone. Light size MQ short, off of the previous comment. Let's rip straight down pre-market level. That's all we're doing.
Die.
Go straight down. That's a sniper entry. Okay. Come on, go wrong way.
You mean to put the bear mask on? I will. I'll put it on.
Go down.
I'll put it on for you. I'll do it. I'll do it.
I'll do it. It's gonna roll.
Come on, everybody. It's the back shots bear, baby. Back shots bear in the house. Time to go down. Let's go. Chop it low, girl. Chop it low, girl. Chop it low, girl.
We push down towards 400. Everyone, we're gonna get trim. We can just make a new low on this candle. Actually,
Back shots bear says go down. Come on. Come on. Other way. That's not down. That's the opposite of down. That's not what back shots bear wants to see.
do it.
Back shots bear wants to see us move down. Come on. Don't be shy. Rawr. Come on. No. No, I'm not even in this trade, but back shots bear wants to see it go down. Go down to the town. Make it go round. Don't make me frown. I want to hear that order filled sound. Come on. There we go. That's what Backshots Bear wants to see. Yeah, come on. Come on, Nazdiquita. Let's go down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. That's DOD. All right. You got your trim off. I can take the bear mask off now. We're good. Where's my?
Trade regardless now, everyone. We got a trim. Stops at entry. If we get continuation.
I did my part for you.
Average is in the 40s. Straight down. Go straight down.
Go push it down.
Beautiful. That's exactly what we wanted.
Nice job, bro.
I'm taking a little more off here, just in case we bounce this 400 hard.
Make me alive. Make me alive. We've been living.
Nice trade.
That was awesome, bro. Killing it.
I want to get low a day. The ideal.
Hey, we like to have fun. We choose DOD. We trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, but also we like to have a little fun.
Again, while I'm looking, did anybody make any money off this? We're still in.
Yeah.
Could get her entry.
Has Jdun taken a trade yet? Yep. 70 points earlier. Caught a banger.
Nice pick.
He's such a dork. Yeah, I mean, kind of. I like to have fun. My trading strategy's boring, but I'm not that boring. Appreciate y'all hitting that like button. If you're on TikTok, smash that like button. Tap that screen over and over. Come on. Same with YouTube. If y'all made some money with Team Bull today with your boy Jdun, hit that thumbs up button. It was awesome. I swear, whenever we win trades, the day just like goes slower.
Last trade for me. Remaining trades, I'm done. gonna move my stop down to about like right at like 425, 426 area on my runners. Just a little on profit there, you know. All right, trade's over for me, everyone. Trade is over. Completely out. And the win streak continues.
Yes, sir. Jdun, Moy Trade says, Jdun, my old self always saw my live account lose trades, and I never thought it was possible to win. With DOD now, I'm winning trades and building my live account. Much love, Jdun. Let's go, bro. God bless, bro. Let's go. I'm still going to pick some winners from the post your gain section, too. I feel for you. Well, DOD made me keep my lot size at a humble. Nice. That's awesome. Less size, more money made. Feel for you. How was everybody's trading day? And I'm not talking about P&L. How was everyone's execution? How was your discipline? How was your system? How was your practices? Did you follow your rules? Did you stay patient? Did you execute how you promised yourself you would? Did you use the position size that you promised yourself that you would?
I did.
I know you did. You're the grizzly glout.
It's gonna hit the final cross target here if it stop me out.
That's how it goes, right? That's what happened to me earlier too.
I made over 2K today.
Me too.
I'll take it.
Looks like we want to flush.
Cool. I want to see you all tag me if you took that with me and post your
Yeah.
name.
Tag that man grizzly glout.
Love to see it.
Oh no, I got my DOD backwards. Dopamine over discipline. Nope, you can't. No dyslexia allowed here.
You allow dopamine to get too much out of hand, it's gonna be hard to find. It's gonna be hard to be happy in life in general. chasing double.
I turned profitable when I left Team Bull, but I'm on Jdun's live stream and I've been watching him live trade because it keeps me unprofitable. I couldn't make any money with Jdun, yet I'm sitting here watching him trade live every day, hanging out in his live stream for free, being a part of the team.
Well, I guess I'll see you back in the morning, okay? If we can't have another winning trade.
Do you guys hear me? I said I became profitable when I stopped watching Jdun. But I'm here watching him. I legit joined 3 minutes ago, you bum. I'm on his live stream, listening to him.
that's what these people look like. Grown men, mind you, grown men. Grown men. Grown men. I bet bro won't say a single thing after that. Bro won't say a single thing. Comment. Say something. Am I wrong? Oh, he won't say nothing. I pray for you, my bro. It's just like, yeah, Jdun takes no trades. I can't stand him, but you're in my live stream, bro. So what's going on? What's up? What's going on with that, man? I don't know how to trade well yet, but I've been around for like 6 years, and Jdun, the only honest person I meet out of thousands of gurus. Oh, we just like to have fun. I usually pray for him, but we're done trading. I made my money. Why not have some fun? Makes people smile. Riles them up a little bit. Do I see another setup? I don't. Need the lava lamp after those haters, right? I'm gonna love helping y'all learn, level up, and win. If you guys haven't already, if you're on the TikTok, I invite you to join the YouTube tomorrow. Jdun Trades. You get my full screen share. Jdun Trades on YouTube. We're building a massive community. We're getting more and more people every day. The clown mask is funny. I think it's funny. Nope, I'm here. I've seen a few people pass their new Apex accounts with code Jdun. Love that for you guys. Did I take any other trades? Myself, no. I had a few good ideas, and Grizzly caught a nice another winning trade. But no. I am done for the day. It means if you use code Jdun and something comes up with your payout, I can expedite your ticket. If you don't follow the rules, you're not going to get paid. Apex is having no more payout denials, which is awesome. With their new system, but it means they'll have your back if you use code Jdun. It also comes with 20% more DOD. No, actually 100% more. If you guys want to take my next trade with me tomorrow, you can go get yourself an Apex 50K trade of a end of day account. It's $29 with code Jdun. I put the link in the announcements tab in Team Bull. Damn, that's crazy. Watching you like a hawk. That guy was right. Yeah, that's why you're in my live stream. Now tell me, give me a reason why you're in my live stream taking my trades, yet I'm not helping you get profitable. Bet you won't give me a reply. God bless you. I hope you have a great day. And we had almost 2,000 people earlier. Killing it. There's no doubting DOD is the greatest trading system in existence. More and more people getting payouts, more and more people leveling up. We do it every day, live in real time. I will never understand people that say, Jdun, I don't like how you trade. I don't like the lives. You didn't help me, but they come every day. I'm like, God bless them. Hope I can turn them into lovers. There's a reason they come back and watch. I mean, you know, losers focus on winners, and I want to help them become winners. Thank you very much for your help. After learning your style of trading, 2-bar setup in DOD, my Express account is now positive, was not down 900 a little over a week ago. Let's go. Help me request my first payout yesterday with DOD. Let's go. Wow, look at that reversal. Oh, woo! I'm still doing the account giveaways at the end of the live. I'm not getting off yet. I'm getting off in like 25 minutes. Is this an order rejection? I'd be very careful with this rejection with how volume and price looks. Any trades? Yeah, I took a banger earlier. Second mega trade. That's what I'm talking about. Nice job, bro. Let's see here. Boom. All right, guys. We got about 20 some more minutes together. How are we going to use this productively? I don't care about engulfing candles typically on intraday. I don't really look at candlestick patterns as far as like engulfing and bullish or bearish haramis, etc. Intraday, I don't really care. What's the play for the longs here? No play for me. I'm done. I'm likely done trading for the day. Unless we could see an insane setup that had low risk, high reward that I would take. But for the most part, I'm more than likely done for the day. I typically only take 1 to 2 trades a day. My trading strategy is very boring. We took some shorts. That's right. The application is open. The application still is open, but I haven't really had time to go through my DMs. For a clipper, someone who can edit short form content for me that knows graphic design. It's not a beginner role. It's not an amateur role. And I mean this in the most respectful way. I don't want someone who's willing to learn. I don't have time for that. I'm looking for people who are great at short form editing, who are creative, who know trading, and who have experience. Yep, send me some edits on myself. Yep, I should have the Apex video up today or tomorrow. Yep, send your resume to me with some videos. Clearly you're in Team Bull if you're hearing this, so. I use 2 a.m. Eastern time. P&L for today, 2,300 live account. This actually technically is a 2-bar here, but I'm not going to take it. You'd have to have stops below 520. We'll see if it works out. Your tax breaks don't really come with trading. Got about 15 minutes left. Oh my gosh, we got a lot. Let's look through these. Let's see here. Trade evade. Okay. Damn, rogue codes are done. RIP. All right, I'm picking the first comment to win. Let's see here. Ooh, I like that. We're going to pick first one, Nick _ Abrio. Nick said DOD, 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 DOD. I'm not picking him because he said DOD a bunch of times. Been rocking with T-Bull for 4 years now at Jdun Trades. Working on my 10th funded account, trusting the process and continuing to implement DOD every day. I'm confident that some larger payouts are cooking as long as I continue to implement DOD. Yep. Well, you get yourself another code for another account. Boom. Congrats, my boy. Oh, let's pick a random one. Three, two, one. All right, it landed on. Wait, that was yesterday. Never mind. Can't do that. 3, 2, 1. Boom. We got Mac Attack saying, let's go with a $980 day. Congratulations to Mac Attack. You just got yourself a code for a Apex account, which, by the way, you can use code Jdun right now for 85% off. There you go. There's your code, Mac Attack. Guess who's back? Mac Attack, tack. Yeah, that 2-bar is paying out. Look at that. If you guys are watching the live stream, the live screen share. Look at that 2-bar. Touch 550, up at 590, almost 600. You'd be like almost 1.5 R right now. How many trades you've taken today? 1. Woo! We got 15 more minutes on the live stream, then I'm getting off. That's crazy. Mexican drug lord El Mencho was buried in a all gold casket.
Want to go gold casket? Are you gonna have to have a custom coffin?
A custom coffin for how tall I am?
Yeah.
It's possible. Why didn't I take that bounce off pre-market low? That's not how I trade. That 2-bar went crazy on that upside. Went crazy. Any love for the new subscribers? Yes, I appreciate all y'all tapping in. Appreciate each and every one of you guys tapping in, hitting that subscribe on YouTube, and also pressing that bell icon, turning those notifications on. If you guys didn't know, Gene goes live on my account for Asia every single day. And if you guys needed a reason to turn your notifications on and join, Chad, if you've joined Gene for Asia session on this YouTube, have you gotten value or made money with him? Yes or no? If you guys have joined, tell them. Tell the people who haven't joined yet. Jen says Gene is the man. Green Leaf Lotus says yes. T. Lee says yes. Fern says yes. Acidly says yes. DOD for life. Yep. If you guys join every evening, for the most part, at 6 p.m. Eastern time, he catches bangers almost daily in the afternoon/evening. So you guys can join Jdun Trades on YouTube. It's on my YouTube channel. That's where he'll be live for Asia. They call him the Asian sensation. He always has a taco on hand. Is that so, you always have a taco on hand?
No, I don't always have a taco on hand.
You don't
I
want
don't like tacos that much.
Oh, that's funny.
No, they just think they're funny.
They think they're funny.
I think they're clever.
All right, see you, Kane. Have a good one, bro. God bless. Yep. If you guys want to catch his Asia session, make sure you guys press that bell icon and turn those notifications on. Guacamole Gene.
Guacamole.
What's your name? Is Guacamole.
No, it's just Mr. J. Carlos.
I did not take the 2-bar to the upside. No. I did not. If you're on the TikTok, I encourage you to join me live on YouTube tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time as well. Jdun Trades on YouTube, full screen share. Some believe in love. Let's see. Shorts every. DOD.
Talking music.
Oh, I was posting a video. I was posting a video, so it went away, but it will come back. There we go. The backshot bandito. What are you calling me these days? That's what y'all are calling me? The backshot bandito is crazy. Delaney said, I have a question. At 10:30 Central Standard Time yesterday was the 2-bar setup. I had an entry at 995. Didn't take. Tricks still building confidence. Wanted to confirm. 10:40 Central means that it's 9:40 Mountain Time. Or 9:40 means 8:40. 10:30 means actually I'm tripping. Yeah, this is technically a 2-bar. Yeah. Trend direction. Moving up. Yeah. Yep. Trend direction. That would work. My IG handle is Jdun Trades. It's the only place I answer questions. You can DM me, follow, ask anything. Then look at that. About to go high today. That's crazy. That's crazy. Is this 2-bar valid? I wouldn't take it because of the volume. But that previous 2-bar was money bags. Be sure. Let's see, get this on the story. Bada bing, bada boom. What is my take? I'm not in a trade. What you mean, what's my take profit? I'm not in a trade. Not in a trade. Not in a trade. How do I use my volume indicator? I just use normal volume AVG. It's not a special indicator. I don't use Top Step. I personally use I like Tradeify, Alpha Futures, Vanquish Trader. If you're trading options, you can get funded with code Jdun, and Apex Alpha, FFF. Damn, Dab1212 said DOD has really changed everything. 3 months, no weed, nothing but DOD consistent growth. Almost to my first payout. Won my first past eval and past 2 more in profits as well. No, thanks. It's dope. I'm about to get off here soon, folks. Sit on 2 hours. Caught a winner. Chose DOD. And hopefully helped y'all make progress in your trading as well. Hopefully helped y'all all make progress in your confidence, in your P&L. And every day, you know, we keep long-term vision in our trading, but I want you guys feeling like you're taking steps forward each and every day in your trading. That's my ultimate goal for all y'all. Jdun, I used my own strategy and got crushed. I used yours and getting paid. Thank you. Let's go. You're welcome, bro. God bless, fam. If you guys want to trade with me tomorrow or trade with Gene tonight, you can go get yourself an Apex account using code Jdun. They now have end of day drawdown accounts.
Yeah, you passed 5 of them too. First try.
Yep, you just passed 5 of them, right, Gene?
And we're also doing a cow passing challenge this weekend.
Nice.
in Team Bowl.
And account passing challenge in Team Bowl. Let's go. Get them passed for the boys and for the girls. It's only $29 for an Apex 50K end of day account using code Jdun.
Insane.
Pretty dope. And I'm going to make that video for y'all soon too. So, all right, guys. God bless. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will potentially be on for Power Hour. There's a chance. I don't want to 100% commit, but I will potentially be on for Power Hour. Make sure you guys have those Discord notifications on, have your live stream notifications on if you'd like to get that. And otherwise, I'll see you guys later. God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, choose DOD, do something positive for yourself, and I'll see you guys later. Have a blessed day. Peace.